Looking for the best gas fireplace inserts to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Duth Forge Dual Fuel. Imagine enjoying the comfort of a cozy fire without the hassle of complex installations and electrical hookups. With Duth Forge's dual fuel insert, you have the freedom to effortlessly control your home's temperature at your fingertips. This innovative heating solution produces an impressive 26,000 British thermal units per hour, warming your space quickly and efficiently. Safety is a top priority, and the built-in oxygen depletion sensor automatically shuts off the unit in case of low oxygen levels, giving you peace of mind. You'll love the realistic appearance created by 5 ceramic logs and the faux fire brick liner, providing an inviting ambience that doesn't break the bank compared to other remote-controlled inserts. One of the most appealing aspects of a dual fuel insert is its flexibility. You can select the fuel source that best fits your budget, whether that's natural gas or propane. Deluxe Forge's model features a user-friendly 5-setting thermostat and simple push-button ignition, ensuring that you can enjoy warmth at your convenience. Unlike most dual-fuel inserts requiring complex adjustments with a selector valve, this design streamlines your experience, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: relaxing in front of the fire and enjoying time with family and friends. Transform your space. Number 2. Ashley Hearth AGF 340. Gas fireplace insert with blower. If you're looking for an efficient heating solution for your large living space, the Ashley Hearth products vent-free fireplace insert could be the perfect fit. With a robust heat-out output of 34,000 British thermal units, this insert is capable of warming areas up to 12,200 square foot, making it ideal for a spacious living room or an open-concept layout. Even if your winters aren't extremely severe, you'll appreciate how effectively it can heat larger areas. The powerful blower enhances air circulation, ensuring that warmth is evenly distributed throughout your home, especially beneficial if you have a chimney that might allow heat to escape. The best part: this insert is designed to vent free, so you're not burdened with the need for a chimney or vent pipe, giving you more flexibility in your space. While the matte black industrial design may not be to everyone's taste, it offers a modern aesthetic that can complement various decor styles. Plus, it's built for use in zero-clearance fireplaces, so you can install it safely without the worry of nearby flammable materials. With a beautiful log set included and the necessary gas hookup hose, all you need is a standard mold thermostat to complete your setup. Transform your home into a cozy retreat with this vent-free fireplace insert and enjoy the comfort and warmth it brings to your living space. And finally, the number 3. Empire Tahoe Deluxe Direct Vent Gas Fireplace Insert. When it comes to enhancing your home's comfort, the Empire Tahoe Gas Fireplace Insert stands out as a reliable choice from a well-respected company. With a powerful output of 20,000 British thermal units, this insert is capable of heating areas up to 1,000 square foot, making it ideal for your living spaces. The mold ignition system ensures you receive near instantaneous warmth when you need it most, allowing you to create a cozy atmosphere with ease. One of the remarkable features of the Empire Tahoe is its impressive efficiency rating of 83%, considerably high for a direct vent insert, helping you enjoy warmth without excessive energy costs. Designed to operate on natural gas, you also have the option of a propane model if that better suits your needs. If your fireplace opening is on the shallower side at just 16 in deep, this model is particularly well suited for your space. You have the flexibility to vent from either the top or the back, while a remote control can enhance your comfort. It is available as an optional add-on for safety. It is essential to invest in a screen or door set, although it's worth noting this is an extra purchase, even though you might find the absence of these accessories somewhat inconvenient. Ensuring safety is paramount for your peace of mind. The Empire Tahoe Gas Fireplace Inserts promises to transform your home into a welcoming sanctuary, providing warmth and ambience for years to come. Number 4. Duth Forge FDF 300R. But boasts an upgraded grate and an even higher heat output, providing you with a powerful heating solution. Safety is paramount, and that's why this insert features an advanced oxygen sensor to protect against carbon monoxide, alongside a convenient remote control and a thermostat equipped with 5 adjustable heat settings. With the versatility of dual fuel operation, you have the flexibility to choose between propane and natural gas, catering to your specific needs. Designed as a zero-clearance insert, it effortlessly slips into your existing fireplace, while the included mantle ensures a seamless and polished finish. The insert showcases 6 hand-painted ceramic fiber logs and a realistic sprayed brick liner that enhances its charm. The mantle's light distressing adds character and warmth to your space, and if you desire a darker aesthetic, there's an attractive nutmeg finish available as well. With a ventless design, battery-assisted PO ignition, and an impressive heat output of 32,000 British thermal units, this fireplace package not only enhances your home's ambience but also provides reliable warmth for chilly evenings. Embrace the comfort of home with this stylish and Efficient fireplace solution. Number 5. ProCom ventless Firebox. Budget gas fireplace insert. If you're looking for an affordable yet effective way to enhance your home's ambience, ProCom's ventless Firebox is worth considering, known for delivering value. This gas fireplace insert stands out not just for its price but also for its simplicity. You can specify the size based on your home's unique features, making it a versatile option for any living room or bedroom. This model measures 2.5 by 119x35 and offering a compact yet impactful presence in your space. With its sturdy cast iron material and sleek black finish, it provides a modern, stylish touch without overwhelming your decor. The vent-free design means you can enjoy the cozy warmth without the need for complicated ductwork or vents, allowing for easy installation on your wall. One of the best aspects of this firebox is the opportunity to customize your purchase. You can choose to omit add-ons like a brick liner or high-quality logs to keep costs down. If you prefer a straightforward gas insert that does the job without unnecessary frills, this option truly shines as a budget-friendly choice. Transform your home into a warm and inviting retreat with the charm of a ProCom ventless firebox, where comfort meets affordability and creating a relaxing environment is just a click away. Up next in 4th place is the Duth Forge FDF 300, our pick for best gas fireplace insert with mantle. Imagine transforming your living space into a cozy haven with the complete fireplace package from Duth. This offering includes a dual-fuel fireplace insert and a beautifully crafted wood mantle finished in a warm apple spice hue. The insert is modeled after the highly rated